guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from ASAS Hair. This brand reached out to me and wanted to send me a synthetic wig of my choice for me to review for you guys. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the box that it came in. It's really cute. I really like this neon greenish blue color. It did get a little damaged in post, but that's completely not their fault. So yeah, let's get opening. So inside the box, as you can see, there are a few items. So first off, there is a wig cap. This is my favorite kind of wig cap to use when I wear wigs, the net kind. I just find that they're the easiest to put on. So that's good. And this is awesome that this came with a wig brush. A lot of wigs that I order do not come with a brush of any sort. So this is definitely awesome. So excited about that. And what we've all been waiting for, the wig. So the wig came in a sealed plastic bag with a cardboard ring to keep its shape, and it's also in a net bag on the inside. So let's open it up. So as I said, it came in a net bag, which is awesome. It keeps the wig together. And that's how I like to store my wigs. So it has some tissue paper on the inside to keep the shape of the head of the wig, which is awesome. And it has adjustable straps on the inside, as you can see here, which is awesome. So I will attach these hooks. So this is the wig that I chose. It is I wrote down the wig information. It is an 18-inch loose wave, light brown to pink, heat-resistant synthetic wig. And so far it is super soft, and it looks very realistic. So first off, we are going to put on our wig cap. This is about the cutest part of the entire transformation. But one second, let me take out my bobby pins. And so this is what the wig cap looks like. It has this band here, and then the other side is just a cut edge. And I like to put it just around my neck and then pull up from there. So you want the band to go around your hairline. And then the just cut edge to be at the end of your hair. You just pull your hair up. I have short hair, so I don't really have to worry about flattening it. But if you have longer hair, think about braiding it so that all of your hair will fit up into the cap. So yeah, make sure that the back is all tucked up and in, and that my whole head is flat, and now I'm ready to put the wig on. Okay, so when I go to put the wig on, this is the way that I do it. There's probably a better way to do it. But so I like to hold the bangs up with my wrists, pull the wig backwards, and put it on kind of like this. I grab the front and I make my way slowly to the back to make sure I pull it over the whole wig cap, and then do your adjustments. Okay, so I just went over because I didn't feel like cutting the bangs because I kind of like them side swept. So I just went over and applied some heat to it, a very low heat setting on my straightener, and I curled the bangs backwards a little bit so that they would be off my face. And it worked very well, and the wig is heat resistant, so you are able to do that. Just make sure it's on a low setting and you do not apply heat frequently to your wig. So overall, I really like this wig. It is very soft, and it looks very natural. I am very impressed with this wig. This wig is also really full. which is super nice. It doesn't feel thin. It doesn't feel like you will spot the netting, which I have found to be a problem with other wigs, is that the wind will blow and you'll see the netting of the wig and it's embarrassing. But with this, I definitely don't think that that's a problem that I will have. And so yeah. Definitely check out my description. It will have the information for ASAS hair, and there also will be a coupon code in the description also, so definitely check that out. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely check this brand out and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye!